Happy Tuesday, April 11th. I'm going to be honest, world. I don't even know where to begin to sing the praises of the ancestors and the universe, because when I tell you I am blessed and I am grateful for every one of my blessings, I'm about to do a praise dance out here. But I really wanted to come on and tell you the blessings that I've received this week. So, my juicer had a broken part. And I sent out a call. Well, I just posted that, my juicer broke. If anybody wants to help donate to the juice fund, please feel free. Use my Venmo, PayPal, etc. But even better than that, a friend reached out and said, "How's this juicer?" Sent me a picture of it. I said, you know what? I'm just thankful somebody answered my call, and I am so grateful. So yes, please send it right away. So that juicer is arriving today, on Tuesday. In addition to that, one of my nephews suggested write to the company and just tell them what happened and see if they'll replace the part. I did it. Told them that I'm having some financial issues right now, hardships, and they're going to send the replacement. All I have to do is pay the $9 shipping fee. I tell you, we don't know where our blessings are going to come from, but I am thankful for all. My new phrase now is I am grateful for my gentle lessons and thankful for all my blessings. So stay tuned. And even when your faith is wavering, as mine has, keep the faith. I can literally say that now. Keep the faith.